Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ken, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I restored this old Teak outdoor dining set. I'll admit that while this isn't the right way to restore Teak, it feels oh so right. A coworker gave us this set 9 years ago, and it was in pretty rough shape. It had a few loose and broken pieces, and full disclosure, I still haven't fixed them. When I picked it up from the curb at his house, it was green and crusty with what I like to describe as barnacles. I got it home and pressure washed it. A few weeks later, I decided to refinish it with Cabot Australian timber oil from Lowe's. The only reason I did that was because I saw it on the shelf and it said it was for exotic wood. This was the most exotic wood I had ever worked with. I used a different sprayer 9 years ago than I use in this video, but the results are the same. The first time I stained this, I chose the mahogany flame color, and I have to admit that it held up pretty well. This time we went with the darker Jara brown, and my wife really digs the darker, more rich color. The cordless sprayer I'm using in this video is the cheapest one I could find on Amazon with decent reviews and 2 batteries. It is a pleasant bonus that the batteries also fit the sander and another unrelated tool I bought from Amazon. My son already used this sprayer to clear coat his car. Prep time was simple. I pressure washed everything, sprayed it with outdoor cleaner in the pressure washer, then pressure washed it again more thoroughly. I only sanded the tabletop and a few of the armrests that needed it. I could have sanded more, but decided not to. The sander I use is just a cheap buffer that I bought sanding pads and discs for, also from Amazon. I hit it with 80 and then 220 grit. The spraying process was easy, and the tip only clogged once. I wasn't worried about runs because the timber oil recommends back brushing after application. I used a super cheap Walmart chip brush to back brush, and it turned out great. Overall, I'm pleased with how it turned out and look forward to enjoying this dining set for another decade before I need to stain it again. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for more riveting DIY content. See you next time.